Hi there, it's Jenna from scribblinggrace.com. Today I'm going to be doing a Bible journaling flip through video of this Bible here. This Bible was actually an order that I took for this sweet girl named Eden on her high school graduation that her family got for her. So they hired me to paint the outside as well as some of the interior Bible journaling pages. And unfortunately, if you're gonna ask, I no longer paint Bibles on the outside or the inside, so I won't be able to create something like this again. But I did just want to flip through this Bible because it is a great source of inspiration and can give some great Bible journaling examples. So this Bible is done with all watercolor and pretty much just the Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. So my Kiritake watercolor set and my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen made the vast majority of these Bible journaling pages. So if you want to learn more about the supplies that I used, and I also do have a few tutorials on the pages in this Bible, so I'll put all those links in the description below for the supplies, as well as the individual tutorials that I did do for this, some of these Bible journaling pages. So let's go ahead and get flipping.